In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Monday.com. Reminders in Monday.com are handled through automations, and once you set them up, they'll run in the background and help you stay on top of deadlines without any extra work. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, and I'll explain what each part does so you understand exactly what you're setting up. First, open the board where you want to receive reminders. At the top right of your board, you'll see a button labeled Automate. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Automation Center, which is where you can create rules that tell Monday.com what to do and when to do it. Next, click on Add Automation. This is how you start creating a new rule from scratch or from a template. Instead of building one completely manually, we're going to use one of Monday.com's pre-made options, which is faster and easier, especially for reminders. On the left-hand side of the Automations window, you'll see different categories. Find and select the Dates category. This section is specifically designed for anything related to dates and deadlines, like due dates, start dates, or any custom date columns you've added to your board. Once you're in the Dates category, you'll see a list of templates. Look for something like, when date arrives, notify someone. Templates are written in plain language, so you can quickly understand what they do. This particular one is great for reminders because it will automatically send a notification when a specific date arrives on an item. Click on the template you want to use, and you'll see some underlined parts of the sentence. These underlined parameters are the pieces you can customize. For example, you can choose which date column to use, such as a due date column, who should be notified, and exactly when the reminder should go out. You might set it to notify the item owner on the exact day of the due date or a few days before, depending on how much warning you want. Take a moment to carefully review each underlined option and adjust it so it matches your workflow. Clear naming and consistent date columns will make your reminders much more reliable. When everything looks correct, click Create Automation. Your reminder rule is now active. From this point on, whenever an item reaches that date, Monday.com will automatically send the notification based on the settings you just configured.